Okay. Finally. Okay. All assembled, and we're going to crank it over, mate. See if we can get some oil up to the top. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. I think I've got to go into that one. Ooh. Might take some spark plugs out, that might be a good thing. Release some pressure. Don't need them at the moment. Hey, mad dog. Hey, mad dog. Don't need them. Get rid of some compression, my friend. What you reckon, buddy? That's what all the pop and crackle was probably doing. Oh, that's right, I've still got tape over the exhaust manifold outlets. That's probably not going to help either. It doesn't matter. We have movement, baby. Now just got to hope we get oil and don't bend anything. Nothing seizes. A bit of luck. Take the tape off. Tape off. Take off. Look out, buddy. Move. Look out. Whoa. Somewhat worried. Fortune or failure? Yes, buddy. Fortune or failure? What will it be? Might be some oil just popped out of that as well. And that one there, come out, my friend. All right. Look out, buddy, over here, look out. I don't want you to get zapped or something possibly like that. Okay, I'm going to leave this one hooked onto that old mate. Alright, all that bank's moving. Oh, you beauty. They're all moving. That is awesome. Ooh. Where's that fly from? All the old leads. Oh, I don't care. That's awesome. That's awesome, mate. I'll let it cool down and well, the leads is in here, nothing else is hot. Look out, buddy. Can't see anything bent. Everything looks good. Don't know what the hell I'm really looking for, but dizzies are rotating, correct direction. Ooh, carburetor on. And plugs, leads back on. Yeehaw, fuel system. Okay. Woo, that's awesome. Excellent. So happy. So far so good. What do you reckon, Dozer? So far so good? Oh yeah, you like that bit of painted tape. That's not me.